Justice is in reverse. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. This is telling me that somebody definitely wants to speak their truth about a situation. Maybe somebody isn't making a move until possibly they get out of some type of legal situation that they put themselves in. Clarify Justice in reverse. Yeah, it could be like a home situation. So for some of you guys, you could have been dealing with someone who's married. If he or she is not married, this could be a situation to where your person is living with someone or was living with someone, and they're trying to maybe break a lease or just figure something out on the financial aspect just to remove themselves because they're not happy. And the thing is, they think about you nonstop. And see what I'm saying? Look, there's the Hermit. This person is thinking. They're definitely thinking about you nonstop, Sagittarius. You could be dealing with a Virgo, but this person is just reflecting on everything that they've done, everything that they put themselves in, and so they want to be with you. They see themselves having a life with you. So, but in order for that to happen, they have to drop a situation or let go of some type of situation that they're codependent to. Clarify. See, but even if they drop this situation, they feel like they made such a big mess. They can't work anything out with you because they messed up. I'm telling you, look, this person's gonna give you an offer. It's a gift, something that you deserve. They're definitely going through a transformation right now. So I'm telling you, the stuff that they were doing, it is coming to an end in order for them to have a new beginning with you. They definitely do not want you to walk away, Sagittarius. Because I'm telling you, I feel like you're done, okay? You're done. You don't want to deal with them anymore. And because they know this, they don't know what to do. They don't know how to approach you with this offer because of everything that they put you through in the past. Tell me more. See? I'm telling you, they do not want you to walk away. They're going to rush in fast. Look at that. They're going to offer... They're offering you wish fulfillment. I'm telling you, this person sees themselves being with you in the future. They want a family with you, marriage, everything. See, I'm telling you, they're going to give you an offer. Clarify. There's the Queen of Wands. I just personally feel like... What's interesting, it's like they're giving you an offer, but she isn't looking at it. She's like, nah, I'm good. You know, your head is held high. You're staying positive. You're just basically moving in a new direction. You don't really care about this little offer that's trying to come in. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But I feel like this person is sad because they are picking up that you're done. You don't want to deal with them anymore, see? There's a lot of arguing going on. I've been picking up for a lot of signs. I don't feel like it's you and your person arguing. I feel like it's the person outside or external to you that's arguing with someone else. But there's just a lot of conflict going on. Tell me more. They could be battling themselves. Yeah, see, this person is having a hard time, Sagittarius, because they're back and forth. 1 minute they make a decision as to approaching you, speaking their truth, telling you what it is that they want. But at the same time, on the flip side, they're kind of like they're hesitating, see, because they messed up. They feel like the seeds that y'all planted in the past, they're not going to grow. See, but there's the truth. The truth is definitely coming out. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. But this person, I'm telling you, they want to put... Sorry, on my throat. This person wants to give you an offer. It is a firm offer of commitment. And they will speak their truth to you about it. Tell me more. But right now, they're not moving forward. There's still some type of karma that they have to work out. They did make a decision. So they're coming out of being frustrated about the situation. I feel like this person, if there were other people involved in the situation or they were in their ear, they caused confusion with them once upon a time. Now this person isn't confused. They know who they want to be with, and they're upset because they made the wrong decision. Somebody could be dealing with a Pisces, but this person definitely wants to speak their truth. They want to come towards you and apologize for their actions, everything they put you through, because they know that it hurts you. They know that you're not happy with them, and they're not actually happy with themselves. See? They're scared that things may not improve with you. And for some of them, maybe they feel like they did take a financial hit somewhere, and they're upset about it. But I feel like they are just more so sad because you're the person that they want to be with, and they're separated from their one true love. And see, they want a new beginning with you, but they know that they stabbed you in the back. And this is hard for them, and this is why they're not really... either they're not communicating with you at all right now, Sagittarius, or if you're hearing from them here and there, they're not really saying much, like anything meaningful, anything that you really want to hear. They're just like, hey, how you doing? What's going on? You know, they're just trying to keep in touch with you because they really do not want you to cut them off. Something flipped, I saw it. Yeah, see, this person definitely was being sneaky in the past, and see, now they're cleaning up their act. Look at that, it's 2-7. See, there was a lot of conflict with this person, and it was just like a lot of drama around them, but this person is clearing away obstacles in order to come back towards you. Tell me more. Somebody's dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. Look, see, there's two women. I'm telling you, this person, there was some type of third-party situation going on. Somebody could have been dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. Tell me more. Because somebody is definitely focused on finances here. Yeah, see, somebody feels like they were left. Sagittarius, if this is you and someone did you wrong, you definitely feel like this person left you out in the cold because they chose someone else. Or it could be a cross watcher. Sagittarius could have done it to you. But somebody definitely feels left out in the cold because someone chose the other person over them. And they're hurt. Somebody made a choice just because of finances is what I'm seeing here. Okay, so this is telling me that somebody's coming out of worrying about it. Y'all aren't worried about it, but I'm going to tell you now, the person, whoever messed up, they do not want you to cut them off, and they are keeping a close eye on you. Remember when I told you, for some of you guys that are in communication with this person, they are keeping tabs on you because they don't want you to move on. If you're not hearing from this person, best believe they are watching you or keeping tabs on you one way or the other, okay? Whether it's social media, if y'all shut down y'all social media, you have mutual friends, acquaintances, I'm telling you, somebody is asking about you. Driving past your house. I'm telling you, they're watching. So they don't want you to move on. See, they're not content with the way things are playing out. This person may not be content with their finances, but they're scared that they're not going to have a new opportunity with you. I feel like at one point in time, this person was definitely moving slow because it could have been their finances were not in the best shape. But now they're coming out of that energy. They're definitely making moves here. Yeah, because at one point they had you waiting. I'm telling you, this person's going to make a move. But they're still feeling stuck at a crossroads. See, I feel like if someone is still dealing with someone else, they have not 100% removed themselves out of a situation. And I'm telling you, it's because of money. There's finances tied into this. Could be dealing with a Gemini here. But this person feels like there's an imbalance in this situation, but at the same time, they're getting ready to make a move. It's like once they figure out how to get themselves out of the situation, they are going to come flying towards you because they want to speak their truth. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or another Sagittarius. But I'm telling you, this person wants to start over and build something stable with you. But they need to get themselves out of whatever situation that they put themselves in. And they are trying to manifest that. They're trying to stay positive here. The Emperor, yeah. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries, but this person wants stability with you. They definitely want to balance things out with you, Sagittarius. You could be dealing with another Sagittarius, but I'm telling you, this person, they're going to come for you hard. It's like as soon as they figure out how to get themselves out of this, you're there. Like in their eyes, they're coming. But right now, they're not moving forward because they're trying to get whatever this mess is situated first. Somebody could be dealing with the Cancer. See? This person knows that they broke your heart, and I feel like they're going to come back in to fix the situation. See? They love you. They definitely want this to work out. So they're going to rush back in to tell you this because they do not want to lose you. But see what I'm saying? Right now, they're just not making a move. They're not making a move right now. I feel like somebody's coming out of being frustrated, but at the end of the day, this person, this is whoever messed up. They're using their intuition. I'm telling you, they know who they're supposed to be with. But at the same time, even though they're going to listen to their intuition, they're going to come in to give you this offer of love. Because they broke your heart due to some type of third-party situation, they don't have any hope. And they're going to take them back. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius. But somebody is coming out of feeling trapped or stuck in a situation. They're going to speak their truth. But they're scared that things may not improve with you. Or they're scared that their financial situation is not in the best shape for them to even come towards you. Because that's probably why they were committed to this other person. But this is telling me they're going to get out of that situation here. but they know you're still hurt by it. See what I'm saying? They're going to walk away from whatever codependent, toxic situation that they had themselves in. Somebody could have been dealing with a Capricorn, but right now, they're just not saying anything. They're not speaking their truth to you because they're trying to balance something out. I'm telling you, there's something with money here. This person, they know if they leave this situation, they have to give. You know, whether they're married, whether, you know, they help pay bills or there's a child. It's something like that where they have to give, but they definitely want to balance things out with you. And once they get that together or figure that out, they're going to come back and give you an offer. Look at that, of marriage. They want commitment. They want to be with you. Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus, but right now they are trying to weigh up their options as far as how to approach you, how to get out of this situation, because they really do want a victory with you. But the way that came out, it's like they're scared that they may actually not have a victory with you. See, there's the Empress. So this person wants a new beginning with you, but at the end of the day, you cut them off. Somebody could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. Yeah, you cut them off. And see, I'm telling you, they're going to come back and give you an offer, Sagittarius, but they're scared that because you cut them off, you're going to reject this offer when they do come back. But they definitely want things to improve with you, but right now they just do not have the strength to come towards you. Whew, Sagittarius. Okay, that was your reading. Guys, leave me some comments. Let me know if this is resonating for you guys.